In our previous sessions, children, we have discussed what are acids, what are bases, what are salts. Then in our previous class, we discussed what is neutralization. Then we have discussed what are natural indicators like litmus paper, turmeric and China rose petal. Then when we were discussing neutralization, we discussed synthetic indicators such as phenolphthalein and methyl orange. Then today we are going to study, children, neutralization in everyday life. I hope you remember what is neutralization. The reaction between an acid and a base is called as neutralization. And salt and water are evolved as the products of neutralization and with evolution of heat. Now children, today we are going to study neutralization in everyday life. We will study 2-3 examples. For example, the first one is indigestion. Children, when we were studying lesson 2, that is digestion in humans, if you remember, we have studied that stomach releases hydrochloric acids. And this acid is very, very useful in digestion of food. But sometimes the stomach releases too much of acids and this results into hyperacidity. You must have seen your parents or grandparents sometimes suffering from hyperacidity. Now, in order to neutralize this acids, excess of acids, we have to take a basic substance, and this basic substance is called as antacids. We get in the market as liquid and tablets also, antacid tablets. For example, milk of magnesia, which contains magnesium hydroxide. This helps to neutralize the effect of acids in the stomach. Then the second one is ant bite. Now children, whenever an ant bites us, it releases liquid acid, that is formic acid, which injects into our skin. Therefore, whenever an ant bites us, we feel irritation on that part of the skin. Now, in order to neutralize the acid which is injected by the ant, we have to use a basic substance. For example, baking soda, that is sodium hydrogen carbonate, or in the market you also get calamine solution, that is zinc carbonate. So both zinc carbonate and sodium hydrogen carbonate, that is baking soda, is used for the treatment of ant bites. I hope these two, indigestion and ant bite, are clear to you. Now we will proceed further to the third example, that is soil treatment. Now children, for the growth of plants, they need soil which is neutral, that is neither it is acidic nor it is basic. But due to too much use of fertilizers, the soil becomes acidic. Now in order to neutralize the acidic effect of fertilizers, we have to add basic substance like quicklime and slaked lime. Now quicklime is calcium oxide and slaked lime is calcium hydroxide. Now children, this is if the soil is acidic in nature, we add a basic substance, okay, to neutralize it. But if the soil is basic, then we add organic substances which release acid while they decompose into the soil. So this is soil treatment, that is neutralization. Fourth example of neutralization in our everyday life is factory waste. Now children, this factory waste are very, very rich in acidic. They are acidic in nature. So they cannot be dumped anywhere. So what we do, before dumping it anywhere or before these factory waste fall into river or a stream, bases are added to it so that aquatic life is not affected and aquatic life is not harmed. So this is about neutralization in everyday life. Now children, here we come to end of the explanation part of lesson number acids, bases and salts, that is lesson number 5. If you have any doubt children, you can contact me on my personal number. In our next session or next video, we will be doing reading of the lesson and we will mark the answers in the book itself. Thank you and God bless.